Another type of object you can create in the library in GraphPad C is a symbol. And in this example, I've got a library of scaffolding. And so if we drop an item in, it has alignment points, and I can drop sections of the scaffolding in, and they'll snap into alignment. And so we can see it's really easy to build a scaffolding setup and then take that setup, group it, and then rotate it into position. So now we can actually put it wherever we need it to be to represent the scaffolding along a wall or something like that. And just like images, these are actually quite easy to create. And so, for example, if I take just a couple of lines and put, say, an arc in the center of it, and let's go ahead and make those lines a little bit thicker for the drawing. And so go to lines mode and just change those into nice thick lines. Okay, to create a symbol out of this, all I'd have to do, is go into points mode, create a selection area that I want, and let's try that again. And now I would turn only the points on that I actually want to have as alignment and connection points. And so here I have 2 points, just the endpoints. And if I go into group and create symbol, we now have a symbol that has those properties. And so, for example, I can drop that onto my drawing, can rotate it into position, and now if I had 2 of those, they can snap into alignment. Now, as we discussed in another video, or as we'll discuss in another video, library objects have properties, and so if we go into scaffolding, or the scaffolding library, we can see we can make it either countable or not countable. We can set the scale on or off. Setting the scale on means that it's going to maintain size as we use this object. And so if we go back over, we'll go ahead and delete everything out, and we'll change the scale. We'll just kind of up it so that it's 30 feet for each one of these sections. Go back to our scaffolding library. And now if we drop these items in, they scale according to the drawing. And so it's very easy to then place these into position. You can see. And they would actually be the right size for the scaffolding.